Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, welcome to my world, my ideas. Today I am going to show you how you can create a glowing flower with a blending tool. Blend tool is very interesting to use. The blend tool lets you combine shapes and colors between two or more objects to create a new object. So let's jump into the video. But before we begin, I requested you to subscribe my channel. It will not cost you anything, but it will tremendously support out my work. First of all, we will take ellipse tool and draw a circle by holding down Shift key. We will take scissor tool and click on the top anchor point and the right anchor point. We will take selection tool and delete the remaining circle. Select our path and right click on it and transform and reflect. We will vertically reflect it and take a copy of it. We will rotate it on 45 degrees by holding down Shift key. We will select both paths and make their fill off and rotate them to 90 degrees by holding down Shift key. Take blend tool and click on one path to another path. When you click on, make sure the plus sign should be appear. Then click. Go to Object and Blend and then Blend options. Make sure preview should be checked. Go to Spacing and select Specified Steps. The Blend tool blends colors, shapes as well as paths and interpolates the intermediate steps to get from one object to the next. Now, we have to decide how many paths we want to interpolate between the selected paths. So I will type 20 and hit OK. I will go to Object and expand it. As I have expanded, you can see our blended paths have come to stroke. Now go to Object and expand it again and hit OK. Okay, now you can see our paths have come to fill from strokes. Okay, take selection tool and by holding Ctrl plus G, make its size small, little small. So let's give it a gradient fill by clicking on here. As we have clicked here, a gradient panel has opened here. Click on this slider and choose any dark tone. For dark tone, I have choose brown color. For the light tone, I have choose yellow color. Take a copy of this slider by holding down Alt key. Choose any mid-tone. For mid-tone, I have choose orange color. Take gradient tool and drag it up. When you are satisfied with your gradient, take rotate tool and click on this anchor point by holding down Alt key. There are 360 degrees in an angle. You have to decide how many leaves you want to have per flower. Then divide 360 with the amount of leaves you wish. For example, you want to have 10 leaves, then divide 360 by 10. Here I am going to rotate it on 45 degrees for 8 leaves and take a copy of it. I will take 6 more copies by holding down Ctrl plus D. So here I have totally 8 copies. I will group them and go to Align and align to our board and then horizontal align and then vertical align. Let's make background. Take rectangular tool and make a rectangular over the size of your canvas. Right click on it and arrange and send it to back. Double click on fill and type here double 3. You can choose any color of your wish, but make sure it should be in dark tone and it should be color, not gradient. Click here to make it colorful. Go to Object, Unlock and Selection. Now our background has been locked. Now I'm going to give it a drop shadow. It is a optional. A drop shadow is a visual effect used to give the path to graphical designs by creating the impression that an object is raised above the object behind it. Now you can see a nice change in our flower. It is giving out the path. It is looking that flower is raised from the background. So that's it for all today. If you find my video useful, then hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.